Growing up, I can safely say that 80s वाले टाइम पर हर घर में एक लोहे की अलमारी तो ज़रूर होती थी. This almirah was often trusted with money, trousseau and jewelry of the lady of the house. कुछ brands evoke करते हैं एक sense of pride, sense of trust in us Indians. And Godrej is one such name. Hi everyone, this is Harsween, your host from SRE India Realty. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Godrej Miraya. Godrej is a mammoth conglomerate that spans so many business verticals कि उनके नाम लेना भी इस वीडियो में impossible होगा. But just to list a few for you, they are into aerospace, aviation, locks and security system, building material, healthcare equipment, consumer durables, FMCG, furniture, interior design, architectural fittings, financial services, oleochemicals, animal feed, poultry, dairy, and of course real estate. अब बात करते हैं Godrej के latest project की, which is called Godrej Miraya. ये located है sector 43 में in Gurgaon, and the land for this was acquired from HSVP in July of 2024. This location is just about 400 meters away from Golf Course Road. Perfect location for those people जो सिर्फ Golf Course Road पे ही कुछ लेना चाहते हैं. हर 10 साल में आजकल सब कुछ अपग्रेड हो जाता है. कंस्ट्रक्शन टेक्नोलॉजी, क्लब हाउस फैसिलिटीज़, फीचर्स, लैंडस्केपिंग और बाकी सारी एमिनिटीज़ जो कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में होती हैं. Godrej Miraya is spread across a land area of 5.16 acres. It has been designed by DP Architects Singapore, जिन्होंने दुबई मॉल और सेंटोसा आइलैंड डिज़ाइन किया है. Also, the landscaping has been done by STX Singapore. इस प्रोजेक्ट का रेरा आ चुका है. Let's now show you the model for Godrej Miraya. 3 towers are being constructed. G+31 की elevation है. 2 towers जो हैं उनमें 3 BHK and 4 BHK दोनों ही configuration available होगी. There will be one iconic tower. This is going to be 4 BHK construction only. 248 units in total. 3 BHK is 2711 square feet to be precise. 4 BHK configuration है 3897 से लेकर 3929 square feet, and all of these come with a helper room. Greens and blues will dominate 2.5 acres of expansive landscaping area, और इसमें 10 से 15% की water bodies होंगी पूरे area में around the lobby, which is going to be apart from the swimming pool which is provided to you. The towers, which have both 3 BHK and 4 BHK, will be 3 to a core. One exclusive tower, which will be 4 BHK, will be 4,650 square feet in area and 2 to a core. SKK paint on the facade, modular kitchen with hobs and chimneys, sanitary fixtures by Villeroy and Bosch. Every unit will have a UV charging station. Vastu compliant homes, no obstruction for sunlight. The iconic Tower C is going to have golf course views. Triple height grand lobby. Tower B as well as Tower C are open for sale. Tower B is called Glint. It has 93 units for sale. The units on the left and right are 4 BHK apartments, and ones in the center are 3 BHK. 4 lifts have been provided for these 93 units. Generous bedroom sizes हैं with deck-sized balconies facing internal green area. In fact, Tower C is also open for sale now. Glint में बहुत सारी occupancy already हो चुकी है. Very limited inventory is available, especially in 3 BHK configuration. So if you want to book an apartment, you have to call us now. 36,000 square feet area of clubhouse is being planned. This is going to be all connected between the towers, but it is going to be divided into different zones. Tower A के नीचे होगा gym, yoga room, steam and sauna. टावर बी के नीचे लाइब्रेरी होगी, बैंक्वेट हॉल होगा, थिएटर एंड रेस्टोरेंट. एंड टावर सी इज गोइंग टू हाउस वर्क फ्रॉम होम पॉड्स, स्पा एंड सैलून. इनके अलावा भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ एमिनिटीज़ हैं दैट सेट गोदरेज मिराया अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट. एक्वा जिम, एक्वा लाउंज, golf putting area, jacuzzi, human-sized chessboard. Another USP of Godrej Miraya is going to be that Godrej Living team is going to be taking care of the maintenance. This ensures that the maintenance in later years is also going to remain top-notch. ये सब सुनने के बाद तो मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं भी एक घर गोदरेज मिराया में बुक कर लूँ. In fact, I want to be a part of this elite neighborhood, enjoy the special pricing, compared to DLF Crest which was launched in 2018 जिसकी existing price कुछ 50,000 per square feet चल रही है. The current price for Godrej Towers is about 37,200 to 39,000 square feet. And this is a very attractive pricing for this particular location and this particular elite neighborhood. There are 2 entry and exit points for Godrej. One of them is going to be from a service road right next to Paras Hospital, and the other one will be from Sushantlo. Right next to the project there is a vacant plot which is an institutional land. इसी के साथ में है Paras Hospital. आगे ही है One Horizon, Two Horizons वाली building which you cannot miss. American Express, Dell and Genpact जैसे offices भी close by हैं. It is also flanked by DLF की older constructions जैसे कि Princeton, Wellington, West End Heights, also the Phase 5 DLF Club. If you're looking for an upgrade from a very reputed developer, Godrej Miraya is the perfect solution to all your home needs. Right across Godrej Miraya, you have Heritage Experiential School, which is very renowned. Other prestigious schools like Shiv Nagar, Scottish High, Amity, even the American School are also close by. Newer malls like RD Mall are in the vicinity. Apart from Paras Hospital, which is almost next door, Fortis, Max, SCI, Artemis, ये सब hospitals भी nearby हैं. This project makes complete sense for both the investor and the end user. Construction linked plan है और 30% payment के बाद first transfer is free. So if you want to understand more details, give us a call on the number that you see on the screen. I hope this video was informative. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.